What if I told you that a woman not being interested in you doesn't actually mean the game is over? In fact, psychology shows us that attraction isn't built in the beginning. It's triggered over time. So even if she ignores you today, with the right psychological strategies, you can make her start noticing you, wanting you, and even chasing you. Stay with me for the next 20 minutes, because I am about to reveal step by step how to make any woman want you, even if she is not interested right now. The truth is, real attraction cannot be begged or demanded. It has to be triggered. Human behavior runs on predictable psychological patterns. If you know how to activate them, you flip the script. Instead of you chasing her, she starts wondering about you, thinking about you, and questioning why she never noticed you before. First, let's talk about the power of indifference. Women are biologically wired to be attracted to high-value men, and nothing screams low value more than chasing a woman who shows no interest. If she doesn't want you, the last thing you should do is try to convince her. Instead, master the art of indifference. Indifference communicates that you don't need her approval, that you're valuable whether she likes you or not. And when you stop caring whether she wants you, you create psychological tension. Humans are curious about what they can't have. Think about the guy in her social circle who never gives her special attention. He's just cool, living his life. At some point, she starts wondering, why isn't he chasing me like the others? That curiosity is the first spark of attraction. The second principle is the scarcity effect. We all desire what is scarce. The less available you are, the more valuable you appear. If she doesn't want you right now, don't make yourself her backup plan. Stop responding instantly. Stop being everywhere she is. Instead, build a life that naturally makes you less available. A man who is busy chasing his goals, improving himself, and living with purpose automatically becomes scarce. And that scarcity creates value in her eyes. Third, understand the power of social proof. Attraction is contagious. When other people, especially other women, value you, suddenly she sees you differently. Maybe you're the guy everyone laughs with at a party. Maybe you're the one women naturally gravitate toward. Subconsciously, she starts thinking, if other people see value in him, maybe I overlooked something. This is why being socially connected and respected changes the way she perceives you. The fourth strategy is to trigger her emotions instead of trying to impress her logically. Most men make the mistake of listing their achievements, showing off, or trying to logically explain why they're a good partner. But attraction doesn't happen in the logical brain. It happens in the emotional brain. If you can make her feel excitement, curiosity, even a little jealousy, she will suddenly see you in a new light. The man who can trigger emotions is far more attractive than the man who just offers explanations. Fifth, master the push-pull effect. This is one of the oldest but most powerful psychological tactics. It works like this. Give her attention, then withdraw it. Compliment her once, then act uninterested. Show interest for a moment, then shift your focus elsewhere. This creates emotional whiplash. And emotional whiplash is addictive. She starts thinking about you, replaying the moment, wondering why your energy shifted. That wondering becomes craving. The sixth principle is the law of mystery. People are drawn to what they cannot fully figure out. If you are predictable, always available, and always explaining yourself, you kill the mystery. But if you reveal yourself slowly, keep some parts of your life private, and always leave her with questions, you spark curiosity. And curiosity is the seed of attraction. Remember, mystery is magnetic. Seventh, reinvent your image. Often when a woman isn't interested, it's because she has placed you in a category, maybe the just a friend category, or the not my type category. But when you reinvent yourself, improving your style, your body language, your communication, suddenly, she has to reevaluate you. People rarely expect others to change, so when you do, it shakes their perception and forces them to see you in a new light. That shock factor can flip disinterest into desire. Now let's combine these strategies with real-world examples. Imagine a man who's been chasing a woman who ignores him. He finally pulls back, becomes indifferent, focuses on himself, and stops seeking her validation. She notices the shift. Suddenly, he's not texting her first, not reacting to her stories, not orbiting her life. At first, she feels relief, but then curiosity kicks in. Why did he stop? Did he lose interest? That curiosity makes her check his profile more often. Then she sees him surrounded by people, maybe even other women. That social proof adds fuel to the fire. Slowly, her indifference turns into intrigue, and that intrigue becomes attraction. The biggest mistake men make is thinking they can convince a woman into liking them. Attraction doesn't work that way. It's not a debate you can win. It's a feeling you can trigger. By mastering indifference, scarcity, social proof, emotional triggers, push-pull, mystery, and reinvention, you stop chasing and start pulling her into your world. And here's the real secret. When you start using these principles, you realize they don't just make women want you. They make everyone respect you. You carry yourself differently. You stop begging for attention. You become a man of value, and that value radiates. Women can sense it. People can sense it. So, the next time you face a woman who doesn't want you, remember, it's not rejection, it's just a challenge. Attraction is fluid, and with the right psychological strategies, you can shift the balance. But always use this power wisely, because the line between attraction and manipulation is thin, and the man who uses psychology with respect becomes unforgettable. Now you know exactly how to make any woman want you, even when she's not interested. The only question is, are you ready to stop chasing and start being chased?